Welcome back to Birding by Sound with Rachel. Today we're going to talk about the voice of the chaparral, the wrentit. The wrentit is a notoriously skulky bird who inhabits dense brushy habitats in far western North America. Both males and females sing year-round, and their songs are really distinctive. The male song begins with 3 to 5 high-pitched notes that lead into an accelerating trill. The female song is similar, but only consists of the high-pitched notes with no accelerating trill. Let's take a listen. Now let's talk about their calls. The most common call of the wrentit is a dry, grating turr or churr sound. Let's take a listen. Let's hear those one more time. Thank you so much for listening. Please let me know in the comments or if there are any birds whose sounds you're curious about.